Do like and subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to never miss any update. In this video, I will show you how to draw sectional elevation of building in AutoCAD. So, what is section and why it is required? So, section is imagine that a finished building has been cut vertically into two parts from top up to below the foundation depth, and one part is considered if removed, and the exposed view is imagined as sectional elevation, cross section or simply section of building. Okay. So, a building section shows a view along an imaginary line cut through the building, indicating structural and construction elements. The position of section lines are drawn and located by letters A, B, etc. on the plan of building. At the ends, the lines are marked by arrows to indicate which part is to be seen. So, the necessity of section is to indicate the interior exposed view such as thickness and height of walls, height of doors and windows, foundation of the superstructure wall, thickness of lintels, floor section, parapet and such other details on the basis of which quantity of works are worked out and execution of work is done. So, here I will show you sectional elevation of building. So, here I have already prepared some floor plans and front elevation. So, this is the ground floor plan and this is the first floor plan. So, this is the ground floor front elevation and this is the multi-story front elevation which I have already created this in my previous video, and now I will provide the sectional elevation of this building. Okay. So, here we have two section lines, section and XY and section and AB. Okay. So, first in this video I will draw section and XY, and in my next video I will show you section and AB. Okay. So, first I need to copy this floor plan. So this is 1550 square feet area. So, select, copy. Now paste it here. Okay. So, here I will use line command. So, shortcut key of line command is L. So, I will enter. Now, specify first point here and second point here. Now, consider this line as ground level. Okay. Now, here I am taking ground level to plinth level height is 2 feet and 6 inch. So, give offset distance 2 feet and 6 inch. Select ground level and click. So, this is the plinth level. So, ground level to plinth level height is 2 feet and 6 inch. So, go to dimension, linear. Now, check the distance. This is 2 feet and 6 inch. Okay. Now, come to the plan. Now, here the direction of arrows are in upward direction. See here, the direction of arrow is in upward direction. So, we can see only this part. Okay, and assume this part is already removed. Okay. So, as the direction of arrows is in upward direction, so we can see only this part and assume this part is already removed. Okay. So, take Excel means construction line. Press H for horizontal line. Now click here. This is the section line. Okay. I am taking this line as section line. Okay. Now take Excel. Press V for vertical. Now first I will draw the walls. Now here just remember one thing. In front elevation we can't see the thickness of wall, but in section, as one part is already removed, so we can see the thickness. Okay. So here we can see the thickness. So click first. I'll take this wall. Again we can see this wall. We are seeing from this line, this wall. Then we can see this wall. Then we can see this wall. then we can see this wall and finally this wall. Okay, so click here and click here, again click here and click here. Now click on this wall and this wall. Now click here and click here. Now click here and click here, and finally click here and click here. Okay. Now I'll create the roof slab. Okay. So roof slab is 10 feet and 6 inch from plinth level. So give offset distance 10 feet and 6 inch. Select plinth level and click. Now roof slab thickness is 4 inch. So give offset distance 4 inch. Select this line and click. Now trim the extra lines. Give offset distance 6 inch. This is roof slab projection. Now trim the extra lines. Roof slab projection is 6 inch. Okay, now trim this. Also trim this. Trim this line. Now trim all these lines. Also trim this. Okay. So this is the roof slab. Now trim these lines also. Okay. Now I'll create lintel slab, that is 7 feet from plinth level. Okay. So give offset. Give offset distance 7 feet. Select plinth level and click. Now lintel slab thickness is 3 inch. So give offset again. Give offset distance 3 inch. Select this and click. Now this is the lintel slab. Now come to the plan. Now Excel, press V for vertical. Now click on this chaza. Again click on this side chaza. This is the chaza projection. Now extend the lintel slab towards the chaza. Extend this side and extend this side. So EX, enter, select these two lines and extend this side lintel slab, also extend this side. Now trim the extra lines. Okay. Now come to the plan. So this is the section line. Now here inside the wall thickness we are seeing the window frame and height of window. So we are seeing the same thing on other side also. This is the, see, we can see here also window frame and height of window. Okay. So take Excel, press V for vertical. Now click here and click here. Again click here and click here. Okay. This is the window. Now this is W. So W is 5 feet and 4 feet 6 inch height. Okay. So give offset distance 4 feet and 6 inch. 4 feet 6 inch window height. Now select this line and click. Now trim the extra lines. select this line and trim. Also trim in this side. Also trim this line. Okay, so this is the window frame and window height. Okay, this is the window, this window, and this is W, this is W. So this is the window, we can see inside the wall thickness. Okay, so now this is another window. Now I'll create doors. So here we can see this D2, again D1, we can see this D1, then we can see this D2. Okay, so take Excel, view for vertical. Now click on this D2, this D1, click on this D1. These two doors are connected with one wall. Now click on this D2. Okay. Now change the door layer. Okay. Now here this is the D2. Okay. Now we need to move this reference to this point. Okay. So this is D2. So D2 is 2 feet and 6 inch into 7 feet height. So take, this is D2. So take rectangle REC, enter, specify first point here, right click, dimensions. This is 2 feet and 6 inch, enter. Now specify height 7 feet, enter. So this is the D2 created. Now delete these two lines. Alright. So this is D2. Next, this is D1. So D1 is 3 feet 6 inch into 7 feet. So take rectangle command REC, enter, specify first point here. Go to right click, dimensions. This is 3 feet and 6 inch, length, enter, 7 feet, height, enter. Now click. So this is created. Now delete these two lines. This is D1 created. Now this side D1. Okay. Same 3 feet 6 inch into 7 feet. So take rectangle, REC, enter, specify first point here, right click, dimensions 3 feet 6 inch, enter, and specify height 7 feet, enter. Okay. Now delete these two lines. Okay. Next, this is do mesh properties, all these doors. Okay. Next, this is D2. Okay. D2 is 2 feet and 6 inch into 7 feet height. So this is take rectangle, REC, enter, specify first point here, right click, dimensions. Now specify length 2 feet and 6 inch, enter, specify height 7 feet, enter, and click. Now delete these two lines. Now do mesh properties, click. Okay. Alright. Now see, here these two doors are connected with this wall. Okay, connected with this wall. Okay, so here due to this wall, see, due to this wall, okay, we cannot see this much distance of this door. Okay, we can see this much distance of this D1. Okay, so we need to trim this. Okay, so due to this wall we can see this much distance of this D1. Okay, so we need to trim. So trim this. TR enter. And trim this. Okay, so we can see only this. Okay, and this is the D2. Okay, so we are seeing this wall through this D2. Okay, this D2 door, through this door we can see the inside wall. So give offset. Now we need to trim this, also trim this, and trim this. Trim this. Okay, now give offset distance 3 inch. Select, click inside, select, click inside, select, click inside. Okay, okay, so this is the, we have trimmed this, and okay, so this is done. This is the, here we can see the lintel beam. Okay, so lintel beam thickness is 6 inch. So give offset distance 6 inch. Select this line and click. Okay, now trim the extra lines. Trim this, delete this line, now trim all extra lines. Trim here, also trim here. Okay, now here select these door lines, right click and draw order, send back. Okay, now we can see the this line. Now trim this line, also trim this line. Okay, now it's done. All right, now this is the lintel beam created. Now trim here, trim this, also trim this. Okay, this is done. Now I'll draw the roof beam, that is 6 inch. So give offset distance 6 inch. Select this line and click. Now trim the extra lines here. Trim here, trim this line, also trim this, trim all the extra lines. Now trim this, and trim this. Okay, This is done. Now I'll hatch this. Okay. Now I'll do concrete hatch here. So shortcut key of hatch command is H, enter. Now I'll do concrete hatch. Okay, scale is 1 at pick point, click inside. Okay, again hatch, then click here and okay. So this is hatch is done. Okay, so this is hatch is done. This is the lintel beam is created. This is the window height inside the wall thickness. This is the roof beam with roof slab. These are the doors. Okay, so we have created this. So now I'll provide foundation here. Okay, so first trim these lines. Okay, so go to layer. Now change the door layer white. Okay, this is done. Also change this to concrete layer. Change to concrete layer. Okay, this is in concrete layer. Okay, so I'll provide the foundation hatch. Now I'll provide the wall hatch. Okay, at pick point make the scale 20. At pick point click here, again click here on this wall, click here and click on this wall, enter, again enter. So wall hatch is done. Now trim here. Okay, we are seeing this wall through this door. We are seeing this wall through this door. Okay, through this D2. Okay, so this is done. So now I'll provide the foundation. So I have already created this foundation, so I'll copy this and paste there. Okay, so I have already provided a footing foundation video in my previous video. You can check this in the description box also. So here we can see this wall foundation, this wall foundation and this wall foundation. Okay, because these three walls, because in these three walls section line is not going through this and this wall. Okay, section line, we can see section line is going through these three walls, this wall and these three walls. Okay, section line is not going through these three walls, so we can see foundation on these three walls. Okay, we can see on this wall and this wall. Okay, this wall and this wall and this wall, we can see the foundation, means these three walls. Okay, because section line is not going through these three walls. So copy this foundation, select, first move this, now copy this, select, copy, specify base point here. Now click here, again click here and finally click here. We can see foundation only in these three walls. Okay, because XLV, see here section line going through this wall and Section line is going through this wall. Okay, so you can see foundation on these 3 walls only. Okay, we can see foundation on these 3 walls. Okay, now trim the extra lines. Select, also select here. Now trim this and trim this. Okay, now give offset command. Give offset of 1 inch, that is marble flooring. Give offset distance 1 inch. Select this line and click. This is 1 inch thick marble flooring. Again give offset distance 4 inch. Select this line and click. This is the PCC. So this is 4 inch thick PCC. Now trim the extra lines. PCC is plain cement concrete. Trim this. So this is 1 inch thick marble flooring over 4 inch thick PCC, and its ratio is 1:4:8. And PCC means plain cement concrete. Now I'll hatch this. This is 4 inch thick PCC. Hatch, enter. Now I'll do concrete hatch. Change the scale to 1 at pick point. Click here, click here, click here, and click here. Enter, again enter. So hatch is done. Okay. This is 1 inch thick marble flooring over 4 inch thick PCC. So copy the text. So this is 1 inch thick marble flooring over 4 inch thick PCC, means plain cement concrete, and its ratio is 1:4:8. 1:4:8. Alright. Now move this. Okay. So this is done. This is 1 inch thick marble flooring over 4 inch thick PCC. Okay. So now I'll mark all the dimensions here. Go to dimensions, linear. This is door height 7 feet. This is 2 feet and 6 inch door length. Then move text alone, move to here. Okay, again go to dimensions, linear. This window height is 4 feet and 6 inch. Now here this is 3 feet and 6 inch, and this is 7 feet. Lintel height is also 7 feet. And this is 3 feet and 2 inch. You can see the rest door length here, and this is 2 feet and 6 inch. Move text alone to this side. Okay. Now here this is 7 feet. This is 10 feet and 6 inch building height, 10 feet and 6 inch. This is window height 4 feet and 6 inch. Okay. So this is done. So this is the ground floor section. Okay. Now draw first, second, third and fourth floor sections. So this is 2 feet 6 inch, 3 feet, this is 3 feet 2 inch. Due to this wall we can see this much door length. So this is 2 feet and 6 inch, this is 7 feet door height, this is 4 feet and 6 inch window height, and this is building height 10 feet and 6 inch. Okay. This is the 1 inch thick marble flooring over 4 inch thick PCC, and this is the ground floor section. Okay. Now draw a line here. This is a reference line. Okay. Now select this, now copy, now specify base point here and click here. This is the first floor section. Again click here, this is the second floor section. Again click here, this is the third floor section, and finally click here, this is the fourth floor section. Now trim this reference line, trim this line, trim this line, now trim this, and finally trim this. See, this is ground floor section, this is first floor, this is second floor, this is third floor, and this is fourth floor. Okay. So this is done. This is the section on XY. Now I'll create the parapet wall, that is 2 feet and 6 inch from roof slab. So give offset distance 2 feet and 6 inch, 2 feet and 6 inch. Select this line and click. Now extend this wall line and this wall line towards this line. So EX enter, select and extend this line, also extend this line. Now trim the extra lines. Trim here, also trim here and trim this line. Okay. So this is the parapet wall. Okay. So this is ground floor, this is first floor, this is second floor, this is third floor, and this is fourth floor. And this is the 2 feet and 6 inch height parapet wall over 4 inch thick RCC, which ratio is 1:2:4 roof slab. Okay. This is 4 inch thick RCC roof slab, 2 feet and 6 inch height parapet wall over 4 inch thick RCC, which ratio is 1:2:4. Roof slab. Okay, so this is 2 feet and 6 inch height parapet wall over 4 inch thick roof slab. RCC roof slab. Okay, now move this line to here. Okay, so this is the multi-story section is created. This is the roof slab and this is the parapet wall. So this is 1 inch thick marble flooring. This is 1 inch thick marble flooring over 4 inch thick PCC, and this is the sectional elevation. This is the multi-story sectional elevation. Okay, delete this. So copy this and multi-story sectional elevation. Alright. This is the foundation. This is PCC, 4 inch thick PCC. This is 1 inch thick marble flooring. This is wall. This is window inside the wall thickness. This is doors. These are doors. This is parapet wall, 2 feet and 6 inch parapet wall. Okay. So this is the multi-story sectional elevation. So in my next video, I'll show you section in AB. So hope you like this video. This is the multi-story sectional elevation. This is the multi-story front elevation. This is the multi-story sectional elevation. Next video, I'll show this section in AB. This staircase section I'll show you in my next video. So if you like this video, then don't forget to like and subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching.